What up, what up, what up? Welcome to another vlog. What's going on, fam? In this video, I'll be showing you our Joshua Tree Airbnb staycation. Let's go. What's up again, fam? So we just checked in here in our staycation home. We booked this place through Airbnb. $600 per night. I'm gonna show you what that $600 per night looks like. I'm gonna do a little house tour right now. Let's go. All right, guys, so as soon as you walk in, that's the door over there. That's the front door. You show them the front door. As soon as you walk in, if you go straight, that's a walkway towards the kitchen. But let's go here first. Okay. So this is the main living room. This is the main living area. Check it out. We have a fake plant over here. Looks pretty
dope.
And my favorite part here. I'm gonna be staying here all night while we drink. Let's get it.
Let's get it.
All right, so we have a nice TV over here, flat screen TV. We have a
Fireplace.
And I really like these. I really like this dining table. You guys check it out. Look at this too. It looks kind of Filipino. It's made of I believe that's made of rattan. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it. And that one also, that looks Filipino as well. Hey, maybe the owner's Filipino. Just kidding. And we have a really nice, huge kitchen. We have a lot of cabinets over here. Look at this sink, you guys. Check this out. It looks pretty sick. And check out this tile. Sick, guys. And of course, big fridge. We don't have anything here yet, but they're coming over. And Jeannie's making dinner for us right now.
Oh, what are you cooking, Jeannie?
냉면.
냉면. Oh, 아주 좋아요. Let's go.
And over here is the outside. It's kind of dark right now, so I'm going to show you what's outside tomorrow when there's daylight, yeah?
Yeah.
All right, now let's proceed to the rooms.
Okay.
All right, so we're now here in the hallway towards the rooms. This house has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. First, this is the restroom. Go check it out. We have a really nice sink there, nice mirror, and that's where you deposit.
Please don't throw anything. And here's a shower curtain. Ooh.
This is the first room, you guys. This is where Jeannie and I are going to be staying. Our luggage are there. So yeah, it looks pretty cool. This is queen size mattress, and check this out. Bottega.
Oh,
Bottega,
no wonder why it's $500 here. Night.
$600 per night.
Oh, sure.
And we have a nice full length mirror over here. And we have our little closet over here. Check this out. We have extra pillows. Mike, I'm going to give you 2 of those. And let's go to the second bedroom. All right, guys. So this is the second bedroom. It's another queen size bed. Looks nice and comfy. Yeah, this is where my friend Paula is going to stay. Mike is going to stay here with her also.
Yeah.
They're going to be killing it tonight, guys.
거짓말.
Paula, if you're watching this.
Shut up.
All right, let's go to the third bedroom. All right, so this is the master's bedroom. Looks nice, big, huge bed over here. This is king size bed, California king.
Whoa.
I like the style here, you guys. Very minimalist. There's carpet here, wood floor. It looks dope. Check out this barnwood door. I really love this barnwood door. And there's a bathtub over here, you guys. Check it out. It's kind of tiny, but I'll fit in there just fine. Really nice tiles over here. Double sink, his and hers. And of course, This is where you deposit your gold. Let's go. Guys, last room. Last but not the least, check this out. This is our game room. We have a really nice couch, leather couch, brown leather couch over here. TV. We have carpet over here. If you're into yoga, you can do some yoga over here. Yoga mats right here. And pool table. We can also play some ping pong. We can put this table on top of this table. And the girls are going to be chilling on this table later.
Oh, nice.
Let's go.
Let's go.
So there you have it, guys. That's it for our Airbnb house tour. So we're actually staying here for 2 nights. Today is Friday. We're staying here until Sunday. Our checkout is Sunday at noon. Again, we are in Joshua Tree. If you're interested in renting this Airbnb, let me know. Comment down below so I can give you the link. I'm gonna take you guys along still. So yeah, we're just gonna chill the whole entire time while we're here. We're gonna do a lot of R&R and a lot of catching up with our friends. Actually, my friend is here from Seattle. He's visiting. You've probably already seen him from the video. His name's Mike. And also 3 of our other friends are joining us. They're gonna come later tonight. Yeah, we're just gonna hang out here in this house the whole entire time. I'm still gonna vlog until tomorrow, maybe until Sunday if we're doing something, but most likely we're not. We're just gonna hang out here. We're gonna go to, there's a tub outside. I mean, there's a jacuzzi outside. We're gonna hang out there maybe tomorrow, hang out at the playroom, shoot some pool, and there's also a ping pong table. I love ping pong, you guys. So yeah, we're just gonna play ping pong all night and tomorrow all day because I really, really love ping pong. I'm not that good, but I can play. I might beat you. Comment down below if you're good at playing ping pong. Just kidding. All right, so yeah, follow along. Cheers, guys. Cheers. Good morning, fam. It is now the next day. This is what the house looks like during the day. This is the front yard over here. Oh my god, it looked hideous. We drank quite a bit last night. My god. I think we slept like around 3 in the morning. And it's currently around 8:30 right now. They're making breakfast. I'm gonna show you what they're making. Let's go. So guys, this is what the backyard looks like during the day. It's huge. Except the landscape is not that great. There's no grass over here. But that is our jacuzzi over there. We're gonna dip in there later. And also, this is the fire pit over here. We might hang out here tonight. And also, I don't know what's that called. Do you guys know? Comment down below. Also, this is our kiddie pool. I didn't even know we had this here. Check it out. Let's see if there's water. Oh yeah, there is water. Well, maybe I'll swim here later when it's not too hot. Right now, it's pretty hot right now. I think it's around 80. And check this out, the neighbors. They have like horses. Oh, it's blindfolded. Oh no, it's not. So yeah, guys, that's our backyard. So I'm just chilling out here right now by the pool, kiddie pool, under the shade because it's kind of hot right now. So yeah, this is my current view. Let me show you. So this is the current view right now. Check it out. Looks pretty relaxing, you guys. So yeah, I'm gonna take that off later and swim. So yeah, guys, I'm just gonna hang out here for a little longer, and then not sure exactly what we're gonna be doing later. Also, guys, I just realized this pool actually heats up. Check this out. Because the water's kind of cold right now. I think it's yeah, it says there. I don't know if you can see it. It says 20 degrees right now. Yeah, it's kind of cold. So yeah, I think Rachel's gonna cook lunch today. We're having, I don't know if it's Chinese hot pot or some sort of hot pot. Hopefully it's Korean. Anyway, yeah, that's what we're having for lunch. It's perfect for our hangover. Yeah, because I don't feel too good right now. Like I said, like I mentioned earlier, we drank quite a bit last night. Don't do that. So yeah, guys, I can't wait to have that soup. I'm still pretty hungover right now. Last night was litty. Yeah, last night was pretty lit, you guys. Didn't get to film much because we were just having such a good time. I didn't want to bother filming, but I did take some clips. I mean, I did take a few clips, which you must have already seen from the previous clips. So yeah. I'm just gonna relax for a little bit, and then I'll see you guys later. What's up, fam? So, actually, we all just woke up from a nap. Finally feeling a lot better. The hangover finally went away. So we're gonna start cooking. It's actually 5 o'clock now. We're gonna cook some hot pot and some Korean barbecue. All right, let's get cooking. So what are we making, guys?
We got
Hot potting it up.
olden time.
So did everyone recover?
No.
No, not yet.
No.
It's 5 o'clock.
Oh damn, it's 5. We should not have that.
I always think about using that one. Oh, yeah.
You look like recording.
Train ride just to see you, ride for hours just to please you. You don't know how much.
Good morning, fam. It is now our third day here, our last day. Feeling kind of sad now. 3 days retreat is finally coming to a close. Yeah, we had such a good time here. Highly recommend booking this place if you're interested. Again, this is $600 per night Airbnb here in Joshua Tree. If you're interested, comment down below so I can give you the link. All right, if you enjoyed watching this vlog, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe, follow me on NEWSBREAK.com. Also, don't forget to share it. Also, ring that notification bell so you'll get notified from our future vlogs. All right, I'm outie. Deuces.